Well, hello there, YouTube. What is today? December. Oh gosh, I didn't look. Hold on, I got it on my watch. December 17th. Yay! Woohoo! I got a short week next week. We're off on the 22nd half day. So it's a pretty nice day today. Sunny. We had some rain this week. It's a pretty nice day now. It's like 64. Well, 64. I just pulled it out of the shop, so hopefully it'll warm up a little bit. I probably won't get on again unless we have a really nice day before Christmas. So I hope everyone has an awesome holiday, awesome Christmas. Spend time with your family. What a nice day, though. So I finally get out for a ride. I haven't ridden in over a month. Work has been so busy, and the weather, it could be nice during the week, but I just don't get a chance to get out. I can't wait to retire. I got I'll be 65 in February, so 2 more years after that, so I'm going to retire at 67. I hate to give up. I got a really pretty good salary, so I hate to give it up, but I want to retire and spend time with the grandkids, do some traveling. I love traveling. And maybe someday I'll get a little camper to pull behind the truck. Which way should I go? I'll go this way. The grandkids get a little older, like 4 or 5 years old, we'll take them on some weekend trips or some time. It'd be kind of fun. A little chilly out. Not too bad. I'm glad I wore a jacket, though. It's nice when you're not moving and in the sun. It's really nice. But once you move, it gets a little cooler. I'll turn it on a little bit. Bye. There's a house down here I found just not too long ago that we looked at years ago when we were first thinking about moving up here. We found it on Zillow, and I remember this road being terrible before, but it looks like I kind of remember it being gravel, but it looks like it's oh boy, they got a bunch of motorcycles. It looks like it was recently done, but back here it had some property. It had a guest house in the house, and it had a shop, and I think it even had a pasture behind it. There it is right there. I looked at that one for a long time. It's a pretty nice house. And the shop. And I do remember coming back here, and it was a kind of a dirt road, but it's not now. See that right there? See, it's got hay, so they got a horse and stuff back there. So it's got a pretty good sized shop. I looked at that house. It's since been sold, I'm sure, a long time ago, but I thought that was pretty cool. But I like where we're at.